Before we give our thoughts, we made a quick B-roll for y'all to enjoy.
I skip the 地方。我拿起来。
So, our feedback is that the beef isn't as good as what we had eaten before this. Yes, we had eaten Wagyu before. The Wagyu we ate last time literally melts in your mouth once you bite it, and juices will flow out at the same time. For this price point, I'm still a little bit not satisfied with the quality of the beef that I got, although there was a fair amount of juiciness. Flavor-wise, this beef just tastes like a normal good cut of beef, while Wagyu is supposed to taste more premium and buttery. All in all, will I repeat my order? No, not really, but after trying to cook it myself, maybe I'll pay more and leave the cooking to the professionals. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoy this video. Cheers!